more freestyle, that tends to tell me that things ain't real good in Chick-fil-A. No, they're not right now. Just wait 1 second here. We get that shut down. We're going to move him out of the way. As we get him out of the way, that's good. Right by the advanced a la carte side. Dennis, what in the world are you doing out here now, man?
Well, here's what we found out. You know, all those guesses I was making when I was out here earlier, well, one of them was true. We've got some needle bearings that got stuck up in the oil pump and it's 2 gears that run together into the shaft that runs it, pumps oil to the motor. It's pretty obvious. Well, I lost oil pressure. Now we've spun a main bearing in the engine block, and that's not good. So it's beyond repair. We can fix it if we had like 5 hours to fix it, but we don't have 5 hours, unfortunately. But the bright side of it is Adam is here, he's in Taz, and he drives just like I do. So he's gonna take up Daddy's slack. But before we even get started, I want to thank Bill Mitchell. You know, you guys are world class, they're up here in the stands. They helped me out yesterday when we had our problems, when we came here. Thank you guys. And all you fans up there, I'm very disappointed. Trust me, I'm more disappointed than you guys are. I know you bought your ticket, you drove 2 or 3 hours, some of you. Well, I'm sorry that happened. There's always a next time, and I swear I'll make it up to you one day. I promise, because the last thing I want to do was come 9 hours from home and break my truck in front of my fans. Because in 1999, I quit driving the truck for me, and I started driving for you guys. You guys made me who I am today. I'll never forget that. Y'all built Gravedigger and Dennis Anderson. You brought me to the top for 27 years, and now you got my kids out on the racetrack again. I love y'all for that. Thank you very much. And now I want you to watch this freestyle, and Adam said he's going to take up Daddy's slack. I love you guys.